Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you the fear response is a natural and instinctive reaction that helps protect us from potential threats. However, in certain situations, this response can become overwhelming and interfere with our daily lives. In this video, we will explore various techniques and strategies to turn off the fear response and create a sense of safety. By implementing these methods, you can regain control over your emotions and lead a more fulfilling life. So, before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here your tips. 1. Understanding the fear response. Definition of the fear response. Explore the physiological and psychological aspects of fear, including the fight or flight response and its evolutionary purpose. The impact of chronic fear. Discuss how prolonged exposure to fear can lead to anxiety disorders and other mental health issues. 2. Identifying fear triggers. Recognizing fear triggers. Learn to identify the specific situations, thoughts, or stimuli that trigger your fear response. Understanding personal fears. Reflect on your past experiences and beliefs to gain insights into the root causes of your fears. 3. Creating a sense of safety. Physical safety measures. Implement practical steps to enhance your physical safety, such as home security systems or self-defense classes. Emotional safety. Develop coping mechanisms to manage stress and anxiety, including relaxation techniques, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness practices. Social support. Cultivate a network of supportive relationships, such as friends, family, or support groups, to provide a sense of belonging and security. Establishing a routine. Create a structured daily routine that provides a sense of stability and predictability, reducing the likelihood of triggering your fear response. Developing self-compassion. Practice self-compassion by acknowledging your fears and treating yourself with kindness and understanding. 4. Cognitive techniques to turn off the fear response. Cognitive restructuring. Challenge and reframe negative thoughts and beliefs that contribute to your fear response. Visualization and guided imagery. Use visualization exercises to imagine yourself in safe and secure environments, reducing anxiety and fear. Positive affirmations. Develop a list of positive statements to repeat to yourself during moments of fear, promoting a sense of safety and self-assurance. Exposure therapy. Gradually expose yourself to feared situations or stimuli, under the guidance of a mental health professional, to desensitize your fear response. 5. Seeking professional help. When to seek professional help. Understand the signs that indicate it may be beneficial to consult with a mental health professional. Therapy options. Explore various therapy modalities, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, EMDR, that can help you turn off the fear response. Medication. Discuss the role of medication in managing anxiety disorders and fear responses, and when it may be appropriate to consider medication as part of your treatment plan. By implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can take control of your fear response and create a sense of safety in your life. Remember, it takes time and practice to turn off the fear response, so be patient and kind to yourself throughout the process. If your fear response persists or worsens, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a mental health expert who can provide you with the necessary support and guidance. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care yours nearest surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.